Amina, what are you doing?
Spring.
Spraying what?
Spring the plant.
Okay, nice. You're doing a very lovely job. Wow. So the plant is taking bath?
Yeah. Eating boiled chocolate.
Thank you. Yeah, enough. Thank you. Well, what you have just seen, the extensive care given by my daughter, little one, uh, just 4 years old now. She was the one who was maintaining more than 150 plants in my one bedroom apartment. So he loves it, and we enjoyed all. So we lived with more than a year. 150 plants, so I can share my experience on this. All those plants, the photographs. Unfortunately, the video something and all I lost it actually, but never mind. The photos, some of the photos there, so it's great indeed to share with you guys. Well, indoor gardening is a great source of joy. Whether we live in a small apartment or large house, by introducing a certain plant to our home, we can start to notice improvement to our health and overall happiness. Uh, Everyone knows through photosynthesis they convert carbon dioxide we exhale into fresh oxygen. Not only that, they can also remove toxins from the air we breathe. Now, the major doubts most of us having, that's it may be harmful because of plants emitting carbon dioxide at night as a reverse response to the photosynthesis. Actually, it is not. They have a different kind of photosynthesis called camp photosynthesis. So, if you take example of snake plant and aloe vera, they convert carbon dioxide at night and give plenty of oxygen, which make a perfect plant for our bedroom to give a perfect sleep. Yeah, perfect peaceful sleep. Well, how it goes? Let me explain. Um, Most plants largely uptake carbon dioxide, which is CO2, and release oxygen during the day. This is called photosynthesis, and uptake oxygen and release CO2 during the night. This is called respiration. Now, these plants, example, as I told you, snake plant and aloe vera, example, can uptake CO2, that is carbon dioxide, during the night as well because of their ability to perform the different type of photosynthesis called camp photosynthesis. Basically, there are two pathways in photosynthesis. Light reaction where O2 is released by splitting H2O. A dark reaction is Calvin cycle where CO2 is used to make sugars. The energy to drive this reaction comes from sunlight. So here the CO2 is absorbed via stomata and the O2 is released by the same stomata. So in this way, and you mean the camp photosynthesis, the plant opens the stomata at night, because they are not getting sunlight or this thing to minimize the water loss. So the CO is occurred at the same time, and released by at the same stomata is releasing O2. So this is what the difference. So now you will be peacefully believing that these keeping these plants in indoor will help us a lot of way. They can boost our mood, enhance our creativity, reduce our stress, increase our productivity, bring tranquility, maintain indoor humidity level, and produce oxygen and naturally filter air pollutants. As we all know, the NASA experiment was conducted in 1999, and they found these indoor plants can scrub the air of cancer-causing volatile organic compounds, which is called VOC, like formaldehyde and benzene. Many of us won't be thinking our coffee table emitting gases, and of course, the furniture. Just these are some of the other items in a home and office that release volatile organic compounds, VOC. The level of VOC are typically 2 to 5 times higher than outside. We are all exposed to some amount of indoor air pollution. It's likely that it's likely not causing much issue, but in some cases, ventilation is very bad. People who are sensitive can feel sick, like headache, nausea, fatigue, some of the symptom of it. Now, what when it comes to indoor plants, choosing the plants are very easier. I know. then as a research when they had it in 1989 by NASA, the gentleman Mr. Bill Wolverton, what he has said about actually like not only that that the soil microorganism found in potted plants also play a key role in cleaning indoor air, and the amount of leaf that means the bigger and the leafier the plant the better. So the leaf surface area influences the rate of air purification. So, what are the things causing indoor air pollution? Furnishing, carpet, upholstery, dry cleaned clothing, paint, synthetic building materials, cleaning products, pesticide, bacteria, mold, outdoor pollution that enters inside. So, this is very important. And so, when we have this indoor plants, you can feel, the air quality is improved, reduce irritation to eyes, ears, nose, and throat, prevent our ears coughing and congestion, lower our stress, boost our attention capacity. So this is the ultimate benefit of having our indoor plants. Thank you. Aminama, what are you doing?
I'm doing something.
Doing something what?
I'm
Yeah.
just helping you to plant.
Okay, but we are mixing so many sand. Desert sand, normal sand, this other sand. What is that? Black sand. Yeah?
Yeah.
How you are mixing it?
Like this.
Hmm.
Like this.
How you know the correct mixture? You are a scientist?
Yeah.
Huh? Are you a scientist?
Yeah.
Plant scientist?
Yeah.
You know to grow how to grow all plants?
I'm like you to grow.
How you are so shiny and beautiful
Like you.
like me. Okay. Thank you. Well,
Okay.
what we have seen, purifying indoor air plants reduce levels of CO2 and increase relative humidity. That this will get rid of the stay air and act as a natural humidifier. So we know that this can prevent our ace irritation to our eyes, nose, throat, even lungs. Beyond improving air quality, the foliage just makes people feel better. Interacting with the indoor plants can reduce stress, as we all know. So this is the people who care for nature. They are better connected with the people in interaction with the people also will be much better. They are the liked by many because their relationship, social relationship is better. They care for nature, also care for others. So that is the best thing we can do. Thank you.